1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is not just a car. It is a true American muscle car legend. Whenever people talk about classic muscle cars, the name Camaro Z28 always comes up at the top of the list. Today, we are going to explore why the 1969 Camaro Z28 is considered one of the greatest performance cars ever built. If you love classic cars, stay with me till the end of this video. The year 1969 was very important for Chevrolet. The Camaro was already popular, but the Z28 version turned it into a serious performance machine. This car was designed with one clear goal: racing. The Z28 was built to compete in the SCCA Trans Am Racing Series. Because of racing rules, Chevrolet had to keep the engine under 5.0 liters. So they created a special engine just for this purpose. Under the hood of the 1969 Camaro Z28 was the famous 302 cubic inch V8 engine. Officially, Chevrolet rated it at 290 horsepower. But many experts agree that the real power was well over 350 horsepower. This engine loved high RPMs. It was loud, aggressive, and full of character. The moment you pressed the gas pedal, the car felt alive. The Z28 was not only fast in a straight line. It was also excellent in corners. Thanks to its balanced weight and performance-focused setup, it handled much better than most muscle cars of its time. Now let's talk about the design. The 1969 Camaro Z28 has one of the most iconic designs in automotive history. The long hood, wide body, and low stance give it a powerful and aggressive look. One of the most recognizable features is the dual racing stripes running over the hood and trunk. These stripes were not just for style, they showed that this car was built for performance. With the optional RS package, the Camaro looked even more stunning, featuring hidden headlights that gave it a clean and sporty front end. From the back, the wide taillights and chrome bumper completed the classic muscle car look. Even today, this design turns heads wherever it goes. Inside the car, the focus was clearly on driving. The interior was simple, functional, and sporty. Bucket seats kept the driver in place, and the center console and tachometer made the driving experience more engaging. This car was not about luxury. It was built for people who loved speed, control, and real driving feel. The 1969 Z28 came with a heavy-duty suspension, front disc brakes, and a close-ratio manual transmission. All these features made it a true driver's car. On the racing side, the Camaro Z28 became a strong competitor against the Ford Mustang in Trans Am racing. Chevrolet used the Z28 to prove that Camaro was not just a street car, but a serious performance machine. That is why many people call it a street-legal race car. Today, the value of the 1969 Camaro Z28 is extremely high. Original, numbers-matching models can sell for hundreds of thousands of dollars. Cars with original engines, factory paint, and correct options are especially valuable to collectors. You can still see this car at classic car shows, auctions, and museums. And it continues to dominate automotive content on YouTube and social media. The 1969 Camaro Z28 represents a time when raw power, mechanical skill, and bold design came together perfectly. In simple words, this car is the soul of American muscle. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and comment below to tell us your favorite classic muscle car. I'll see you in the next video with another legendary classic car.